Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Kayla Lashae, and today I wanted to give you guys a fun little haul. I am doing like more of like the affordable haul. You guys know, if you keep up with my daily vlogs, that I have been going through my wardrobe and kind of just starting over. I got all the basics and now I kind of wanted to introduce some trendier items that I could kind of style with those basic staples, but keep it affordable. So before I dive into like the clothing portion of this video, I do want to touch on some fall fragrances that I picked up. I also have like a home scent, which I'm super excited about. These are both from Dossier. As you guys know, I love me some Dossier. And I have yet to try their little home diffusers. I think these are so cute. And I really haven't seen something like this where it's like those scents that we all love. So this is supposed to be inspired by the Le Labo Santal 33. It's 22% concentration and the top notes are violet leaves, cardamom, ooh, so good for fall, orris, amberox, cedarwood, musk, sandalwood, and amber. I thought this would be so nice for the autumn season. And if you guys don't know about Dossier, they do luxury dupes in all of our favorite fragrances for a fraction of the price, $29 to $49. Plus, I have a coupon code where you guys can save 5% with Kayla5 at checkout. So I'll be sure to link Dossier in the description box below. And I think I'm gonna put this one in my bathroom. I love the packaging. It looks just like their fragrance bottles with a topper for the wood sticks, and of course it comes with those. So I will definitely let you guys know how I'm liking that. I think the scent alone is such a luxury for the home space. Oh my god, it's very woody, very cozy. Yeah, this is like the perfect scent. I want to say they have this fragrance in the perfume as well. Yeah, girl, we love affordable fragrances. And then of course I had to pick up an actual fragrance while I was on Dossier, and this is just a re-up of my favorite. Like, I loved this so much from Dossier that it made me buy the real thing, and they are actually really similar. So I got another one specifically for my gym bag. I don't know the amount of times I've worn this to the gym, the Dossier version, and girls have asked me what I'm wearing. So this is such a good scent. It's fresh, but it's also like kind of warm gourmand at the same time. This one, of course, is Flower Bomb by Viktor&Rolf, and it has top notes of bergamot, green tea, berries, white flowers, orchid, and rose, and then patchouli, musk, caramel, and vanilla. So it's just a nice, warm, and cozy, very flirty type of scent, and I 10 out of 10 recommend picking this one up. So don't be asleep on Dossier, you guys. They will get you smelling so good this fall season, and you don't have to break the bank. I am not liking my bun today, you guys. Please forgive me, but I did order some stuff from Shein because they have a lot of stuff out for fall time, and I know, ooh, my dog. I know that they have stuff that I love because, like, cute crop tops, that's what I needed. Some fun texture items, things that I could mix and match with, like, I don't know, basic leather pants, basic jeans, a denim mini skirt, or something I could wear underneath like a longer style coat, like something cute and fun, you know, just spice it up, add some seasoning to my fall wardrobe. I have so much stuff in here. This not sponsored by Shein, but they did send me this stuff for an Instagram post, and I just haven't gone through it yet. So I figured it'd be fun to kind of do that with you guys, get my first impression, and then I can kind of style some outfits for my IG. But I love their little crop tops. Everything I get is pretty much a size small for the top, and if it's a bottom, it'll be a medium. And y'all know, if you keep up with my Pinterest, with my vlog channel, I've been obsessing over Pinterest and just getting a lot of fashion inspo on styling simple basic items and just kind of discovering what it is that I like, because I really don't know what my style is. I just know that I like what I like, and I know that I don't like what I don't like. So it's just helped me be able to kind of put different outfits together. But little corset tops like this I think are so cute. They're so fun. This one is like a crocodile print. It's really nice quality and it has some stretch to it. So I think that'll be really fun to style this season, and I can't wait because I just need some tops. This I got because Beyonce said silver is a vibe. And I did see something like this on my Pinterest paired with like a gray washed denim, which I have a pair. And again, this is very stretchy. I like these little tops. The boning in it is very flexible. So I think that'll be more comfy to wear, and then it's pretty forgiving. There's no straps. Like, this is very trendy. So I don't mind like Shein for those trendy pieces. Oh, see, I saw a longer lined top like this as well. This is really nice. This one has a zipper in the back. It's thicker. These pieces will also carry me into winter time. This is a small. It's from their more luxe line, the MOTF. It's like higher quality. I don't know if I'm going to try all these on just because this is my unboxing, but I will be styling them if you want to see on my Insta. So I got this two-piece set because I'm trying to find a denim matching set, and it's so hard to match denim with denim. And I'm hoping this isn't going to be too short because I don't like my booty hanging out. This is the Shein Bay collection. I thought this would be cute layered under a longer like faux leather jacket, and then it has like this corset style top with some stretch in the back. You can wear it with like some boots. I'm not crazy about the wash of this denim. It's like kind of dark, but I do think it looks nice paired with like a black top or something if you wanted to split up the set. This mesh top I loved. I thought this would look really cute with some leather pants that I have, because I needed some prints and a little pop of color. And mesh is just something that I think looks super cute with like a nude bralette or something underneath. And I liked this shade of blue. So really love this. This is the Shein Icon collection. I really love texture in fall and winter, like the faux leathers and the crocodile. And this is really nice quality. It looks a lot longer lined, which I'll feel comfortable styling and wearing. This is lined in the inside. And I tend to reach for more black, I think, during this time of the year. This is really stinking cute. I got this in a small, and it has actual pockets. So again, I could style this with a simple bodysuit or just like a cute little crop top, a chunky knit sweater. Such a good basic, but something fun with this texture and the faux leather. This is from the Shein Bay collection, and it is a faux leather like crocodile blazer, and I got this one in a medium. So I think this will be really good as another layering piece. I feel like when it's fall, I have a lot more fun with like jackets and over pieces like this. It really elevates like just a basic jeans and top. So I really like this. We got another little top, which again, my wardrobe needs. Super cute. I don't care what the girls say about, oh, you can't wear white after Labor Day, and I will. So I got this one. It's super cute. It's mesh. I think this is really nice quality. It has a little rose on the middle. It's giving me Chanel-y vibes. And y'all know I love brown. Something about neutrals and just brown hits so freaking hard in the winter. I don't actually remember ordering this or picking this item out. Or maybe I did and it looks different in real life, because I don't like this this little detail. I don't think I would pick something like this out personally, but the color is really pretty and it is kind of thin, very stretchy. Has a little bit of a shein and a slit on this side. I gotta go back and look at this one because I just don't recall. This is a 2-piece set, so the items do come together. This is an interesting fabric. It is like, I don't even know how to describe it. It's giving patent leather. You can see like up close. And then it's just a mini skirt, and I really do like this top too. I would honestly probably wear the top outside of the skirt as well, because I think these are really pretty for like a night out. And it's from the Shein Sexy collection. It says curvy, sexy, confident. They do a lot of little collections, so you can find things that suit your own style. But I thought this was really pretty, like a bralette type of vibe with adjustable straps. And again, this with like something oversized as like a layering piece and like some boots, like black chunky boots. It's giving like Kourtney Kardashian in her emo era. So I'm definitely gonna try this on. I got this in a small. The final piece is the blazer. I love oversized blazers. It gives me the vibe of like Gossip Girl. Whenever I think of Gossip Girl, I think of just like fall fashion. So this one I got in a large because I really wanted it to be baggy. Something about this I also feel like you could wear if you have like a matching workout set, like biker shorts or something. I think this would be cute just to throw over the top to go for coffee. Like, I don't know, just like elevated athleisure wear. And I've just seen like this be styled a bunch of different ways. So I opted for this one, which is like gray, and it has different like black and white pattern to it. Very nice quality, nice weight to it. Like, this is super cute. You could even throw it over like a matching sweatsuit. I've seen that before on Pinterest with like a chunky dad sneaker. Like, just kind of dressing up athleisure casual wear to play up your style a little bit. So those are all the items that I ended up picking up from Shein, and of course Dossier. So don't forget to check out Dossier, linked below, and use the discount code Kayla5 so you guys can save off your next order. And I will see you girls in my next video very soon. Bye guys.